Hey guys, Airgun Angie with Backyard Shooting. I've got my Air Arms S510 XS. I know, I found that challenging lately to call it the right name. Anyways, and guys, these two put together, well, just watch and see. All right, S510 XS 22 cal. Getting ready to check out some Nielsen ammo. Let's check them out on the Air Arms S510 XS. Now I've shot, the last pellets I shot in this and had this sighted in with are, these are actual hollow points, so that's cool. Were the Air Arms Field Diablos, I believe, and they are 18 grain. So these are just a little, I believe these are, yeah, these are just a little bit heavier than the others. So my air tank is filled, mags loaded, phone scope is recording, and I'm gonna take a couple practice shots on the sheet to the right. I really can't see with those glasses on right now. So here we go. That's a little low. So let's go ahead and see what kind of grouping we get over here. I'm gonna go in the middle. Same hole, the last 4 shots, I believe. Sweet. Guys, that is kill, kill, kill shots right there. So the combination of a great gun and some great ammo really has beautiful results. But that's not the only ones I'm gonna try, guys. Definitely gonna check out these other ones. These are 17.5 grain, so not much difference from the pellets that I was checking out earlier. But those of you who know pellets and slugs, the difference between pellets and slugs are their shape. Because a pellet would generally have the skirt on the back of it, which stabilizes the flight, but it also probably has a tendency to slow it down. So I really, really am excited about the different slugs that have come out. And if you don't know, a slug will keep the energy longer than a pellet will because, of course, their shape. They're more aerodynamic. I have 2 that are 23 grain. One is 0.217 in diameter, the other one's 0.218. And I found out something very, very interesting about those that you will find out very, very soon if you continue watching this video. And the other ones are, let me see, 17.5 grain, and they are 0.2165 in diameter. And then we have the 20.2 grains that are 0.217 in diameter. So guys, Air Arms is a top-of-the-line air gun, and what do you expect but for it to shoot great? Plus, Nielsen Specialty ammo, people rave about it all the time. I hear so many great comments and everything about that exact ammo that I was really, really excited to be able to check it out. So thank you guys, Nielsen Specialty Ammo, for sending it to me. If you guys are interested in checking it out, go to www.nielsenspecialtyammo.com and find it there. So anyways, great gun, great ammo, expecting great results. All right, these are the, like I said already, 17.5 grain. They're also hollow point slugs from Nielsen Specialty Ammo. Oh, right on the bullseye. All right, top right. That was it. Well, Air Arms S510 XS, I think you found your soulmate. Those shot beautifully again. Oh, look at the squirrel. Look at the squirrel, guys. Okay, you guys can't see it. Let me move it. Look at him. It's not squirrel season. I can so take him out right now. Why are you tempting me, you terrible little creature? Okay, so both of those are beautiful, but the 17.5 might just be a little more beautiful. These ones are 23 grain, so a tad bit heavier. So what do we expect with heavier pellets? We expect them to shoot a little low. So, of course, again, I will take a couple test shots on my test paper to the right. Let's take a couple test shots and see where we are hitting. A little low, as I expected, so it looks like the same as the first. So guys, guess what? I might not want to bear this bad news, but maybe it's not so bad news because not every pellet is every pellet gun's favorite. So I will shoot the actual target to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Here we go. Let's go bottom left. Oh, let's go ahead because it was really low. Yeah. So not Air Arms' favorite. Now, the .218 23 grain ones, they didn't shoot that great. They were kind of all over a little bit. But then I decided to try the .217 diameter and see if they shot any better because they're the same grain, same shape, hollow point slugs. The only difference was the diameter. So I tried those out to see if there was a difference. So these are the 23 grain .217s. Let's see if there's any difference. Bottom right. That's a little high. Yeah. So I'm not gonna bother replacing the 2 pellets I just shot because we're having the same thing. Well, that was actually better than the .217s, so, or the .218s, my bad. They didn't shoot as great as the first two, but they still did better than the .218 in diameter did. So very interesting. So guys, I'm definitely gonna put Nielsen Specialty Ammo on my list of pellets that the Air Arms absolutely loves. This was at 40 yards, but I do plan on stretching it out because slugs are different than pellets. And yes, the Air Arms can shoot beautifully at 100 yards with pellets, but slugs will tend to hold their energy a lot longer. So guys, I have a lot more to do with the Nielsen Specialty Ammo and of course my Air Arms. I'm gonna be checking out some velocity and some distance shooting with both of them. Guys, if you wanna stay up to date on all of my videos, anything backyard shooting, anything Airgun Angie, you can stay posted on YouTube at Backyard Shooting, Airgun Web, and Airgun Pro Shop, as well as Facebook, the same ones, Backyard Shooting, Airgun Web, and Airgun Pro Shop. That is where you will stay up to date on all videos, Airgun Angie, Backyard Shooting, Airgun Web. So please make sure you like the pages on Facebook and like and subscribe on the channels on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Airgun Angie with Backyard Shooting. Y'all don't just have a good day, have an awesome one. See ya. Have I told you guys before, I really like shooting. I think it's a very profitable way to spend your time.